Good afternoon. My name is Sheetal and I am an HR representative from Concentrix. Thank you for joining the interview today. I hope you able to hear me clearly.
Yes,
Could you please confirm from your side?
yes, I can hear you. Yes, you are audible.
Okay, great. Before we begin, I would like to inform you that this interview is being conducted via video call and it may be recorded for quality and training purpose. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, so today interview will consider of a brief self introduction followed by question related to your communication skill, job understanding and availability. Please feel free to ask any question and doubt if you have during the interview.
okay.
Please ensure that you are sitting in a quiet place with a minimal background noise. Got it?
Okay. Yes,
Okay, so let's go started. Could you please introduce yourself?
yes. My name is Mehdi Singh. I am recently graduated in BTech to Electronics and Communication branch. During my studies, I developed a strong communication and problem-solving skills through group projects and internships. I enjoy interacting with people and helping solve their queries, which is why I am interested in customer service role. I am eager to start my career at Concentrix because I believe I'll help me grow professionally and learn industry standard customer handling practices.
Okay, that's great. What do you know about Concentrix?
Concentrix is a global business services company that focuses on customer experience and support solutions for various industries. It's known for developing quality service and innovation, and it offers opportunities for skills growth and career advancement. I'm excited about working in a company that values learning and continuous improvement.
Okay, got it. Then why should we hire you? What quality makes you that why we should hire you for the company?
I want to work at Concentrix because I am passionate about helping customers and building strong communication skills. The company's global presence, commitment to employee development, and supportive environment really appeal to me. I see as a great place to start my professional journey.
Okay, and how do you handle a difficult or angry customer?
I may be a fresher, but I bring strong communication skill, a positive attitude, and eagerness to learn. I'm adaptable, comfortable working in a team, and I am committed to delivering excellent customer service. I am confident I can contribute effectively and grow with the company.
Got it. And what is your strengths and weakness?
I would stay calm, listen actively to understand their concern, and show empathy. Then I'd assure the customer that I'll help resolve their issue. If needed, I'd follow the company's escalation process to find the best solution quickly and professionally.
Okay, okay, great. So, how do you handle stress in a fast fact environment?
I prioritize tasks, stay organized, and take short breaks if needed to stay focused. I also stay positive and use stress as motivation to perform better.
Okay, and tell me about a time you handle a challenging situation.
During a group project, we had conflicting ideas at a tight deadline. I helped the team list all ideas and find a compromise that used everyone's strength. We completed the project on time with good feedback.
Okay. May I know what is a non-voice process?
Yes, a non-voice process is a customer support role where we communicate through email, chat, or tickets. Instead of
And
phone calls, the focus is on written communication accuracy and quick resolution while following company's guideline.
why do you want a non-voice process?
I prefer a non-voice process because I have a strong typing and written communication skills. I can focus better on accuracy and multitasking while handling multiple chats or email professionally.
May I know what skill are important for a non-voice voice job?
Good typing speed, strong written English, attention to detail, multitasking ability, time management, and basic computer knowledge are essential for a non-voice role.
And how will you handle multiple chats at one time, at same time?
Yes, I will read customer queries carefully, prioritize urgent issues, use predefined responses where applicable, and ensure every customer receives a clear and correct solution without delay.
And how do you ensure accuracy while typing?
I type carefully, proofread message before sending, and follow templates or SOPs provided by the company. Accuracy is important to avoid misunderstandings with customers.
How will you do if you don't know the answer to a customer query?
I will check internal resources, FAQs, or knowledge bases if needed. I will escalate the issue to the supervisor or relevant team instead of giving incorrect information.
How is non-voice different from voice process?
In non-voice process is different from the voice process because communication is through calls and focuses on speaking and listening skills. In non-voice processes, communication is written, so typing speed, grammar, clarity, and accuracy are more important.
Okay, that's great. Are you comfortable with the repeated work?
Yes, I understand that non-voice work can be repetitive. I stay focused by maintaining accuracy and consistency and reminding myself that every customer interaction is important.
Okay. How do you handle work pressure or deadlines?
I stay organized, follow priority rules, and manage my time efficiently. I remain calm under pressure and ensure quality is not compromised.
Okay, that's great. Are you comfortable with night shifts or rotational shifts?
Yes, I am comfortable with rotational and night shifts. I understand that BPO operation work 24 upon 7 and I am flexible with work schedules.
May I know what is customer satisfaction in non-voice support?
Customer satisfaction means providing accurate, polite, and timely responses that fully resolve customer issues through written communication.
Okay, great. So, why should we hire you for a non-voice role?
I have good written English, strong typing skills, attention to detail, and a positive learning attitude. I follow rules strictly and can handle customer queries professionally, making me suitable for non-voice process.
Okay, that's great. So, thank you for attending this interview. and you will receive the information for the next round from our side view mail.
Okay, ma'am.
All the best for the second round. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.